Keshav. I'm from Future World Apple Premium Store. Today we are going to talk about how to change watch face on your Apple Watch. Then we will also talk about how to customize your watch face by using iPhone. One of the coolest thing, and there are many about the Apple Watch, is that you can pick from variety of faces. You can select one by function, mood or taste. You might like the activity face to quickly track your goals, the breathe face for something calming, or Mickey Mouse for a little fun. There are two ways to do this. One is you can do this by using watch application on your phone, and second you can do it directly from Apple Watch itself. So let's start it by learning how you can change watch face on your Apple Watch. To start, firmly press the watch face, then swipe left to right or right to left to choose a face. So for example, I am choosing this utility watch face. Then tap customize. Then swipe left to edit a feature. Then turn the digital crown to change the feature. This might change things like the color of the second hand or the marking on the face depending on which watch face you selected. Next is edit complication. Complication are basically shortcuts to help you to open an app or see information at a glance. Then turn the digital crown to see all options. See here, you can see that you can change as per your usage. So I am selecting here iMessage. Once you will set up complication, press the digital crown to save the changes. Then tap the watch face to set it as a current watch face. Now it's set and ready to use. Now I will tell you how to customize an Apple Watch face from your iPhone. This is helpful because changing your watch face on Apple Watch can be little difficult sometimes with the small screen, but from the watch app on iPhone it's easy to go through all of your options and select the watch faces which you want to use. So let's start. To do this, open the watch app on iPhone, then tap on face gallery at the bottom of the screen. There are multiple rows of options including new in watch OS, activity, breath, color and much more. Then scroll through the rows. You can swipe left to see the option within a row. Then select the design you want to use as your watch face. Here you can change colors and complication. Here you will get the option to change the color. Swipe right or left to select different colors. The watch face at the top will show you a preview that how it looks. Then lastly select your complication and choose from the list which you want to set up as per your requirement. And after this, once satisfied with all your customization, then click on add icon near the top and it's done.
And today we will discuss about a great feature of Apple Watch. The name of this feature is Workout app. With the help of this feature, you can stay fit, you can track your exercise and you can be healthy. So before using this feature, you need to remember that you'll have to enter some of your details in your iPhone. Now open the Health app in your iPhone. Now go to your photo on right corner. Now click on the health profile. Now go to the edit option, and now here you need to fill some of your details: your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your sex, your blood type and your skin type, and if you are a wheelchair person, click yes. If you are not, click no. Now do the done. Now your details have been filled, so let's check it out how to use the workout. For using the workout app in your Apple Watch, press the digital crown. Now click on the workout application, and here are dozens of exercises. You can choose one of them, and hiking is over here, yoga is over here, swimming is over here. So I'll go with outdoor run. Click on the outdoor run. Now it is about to start. So it has been started. So if I want to do some changes, if I want to stop my exercise, do the swipe from here. Now click on end. Now it has been ended. So if you want to choose your workout according to your usage, so click on this option, and here you can set your calories, your distance, your timer, and if you have set everything, just click on open. So it has been started again. See guys, how easy to use the workout app in your Apple Watch, and this is really cool features. To use the ECG feature in your Apple Watch Series 5, press the digital crown, and here you can see ECG application. Click on that application, and now you need to place your finger on the digital crown for 30 seconds. Do not press this crown, only place your finger for 30 seconds. Now place your finger over here. So I got my status on my Apple Watch screen. So you can see your status in your iPhone health application. So you can share your data to your doctors in future. So thank you so much guys, and this is a really cool feature of Series 5.